Hello every Johnny, EMX Xiaohun. And this episode they will explain Bibuff demonstration of assembling and disassembling after receiving the Bibuff electric wikigly. Now let's us a movie on total unboxing session. This is an accessory, soft set cushion. This is an accessory, front buffly. This is a sparrow part, front mudguard. This is a spur part, Drea moodworth. The whole item was a bit heavy, so Primerica Jiva and summoned young man to help lift it together. There is still a product bus in the box that needs to be taken out and place it on the decal. This is an accessory, tightly cover. What we're representing now are AO small accessories and Instajetin tall kit. This is the Prologue Charger TC Sopadol accessory. Now terahertz disassembly tools and screw accessories. This is a disc brake rotor and the product manual. The product unboxing in Product has been completed. Let us a movie on total installation process. When assembling, disassembly only the parts you are assembling to prevent accidental scratches or bumps. Low synth straps. First, remove the front wheel on the seat of the cart to the disassembly. After lodging the wheel flat, take out auto disc brake rotor. Prepare sidos leo iniciaci. Remove the screws at the position. Pick up the disc brake rotor, align to it the alice and place it down, then tighten the screws. Take out the lever and say action on buttress. No, 4W esiaci. Usa in siacina. Puesantna. 4 polas caminatin pulus and e sartentui. Target a prepared frontal ale, align to it the all positions, and secure it properly. Terrific zinc scraves. Dream of Ethnuts. Finda Gold Position. Use it all to tick the knit, and Makasura to secure the knit on the other side. Stanta Electric Vicky Cloprit. Dreamova Tapaka King. Removeth the screws and Dalin Depositia. Teach 10 with a toll. Matcha got Vicky from me. Take out the Framis graves. Put it in, align it properly, and take the Italiano. Install a rear mudguard. Who says he's a trussel the UV area and I say it to ton scroll the scroll. Then install the Maduroth and take the Italiano. Install a tile bathtub. Loss in this grave. Plus it above flip properly. Alinte on his anti-tinte screws. Takata cushion. Press table alik net bookless into plaza. Then tack it to prepare screws from under the set cushion and teeth and him. Preparative thin accessories. Ala tialis and tictin. Prepare accessories and tools. Install the Tercity. Install the front mudguard. Connect the OES properly. Assembly complete. Like and save this post for future reference of mean when assembling or disassembling.